Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. This is probably one of my most highly requested videos to do ever, so I'm really excited to be doing it and I hope you guys find it helpful. So starting off with eyebrow maintenance. For the most part, I like to tweeze my eyebrows over waxing or threading them. I've just learned my shape pretty well, so for the most part, I just like to tweeze them. My favorite pair of tweezers are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Precision Tweezers. I've just found them to be like the most sharpest tweezers I've ever used. Seriously, like they're insanely sharp, so be super careful. And next I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown, and all I'm doing is I'm brushing the eyebrow hairs upward and then drawing a straight line along the bottom of my brow, and what this is going to act as is a base for the rest of my brow and as a guide when I continue to fill them in. Next, I'm going to start creating small hair-like strokes along the middle and the end of my eyebrow. I'm putting it in these areas because these are the areas that are most sparse for me on my eyebrows, so that's the area that's going to require the most amount of product. Then I'm going to be finding the arch of my eyebrow and I'm going to start filling it in. Next, I'm taking the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to start by cleaning up the bottom part of my eyebrow. I personally just like a more clean, crisp eyebrow look, which is why I'm using a concealer that's a few shades lighter than my own skin tone. Now to clean up the top part of my eyebrow, I'm actually going to take the same foundation that I used for my entire face, which is the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation. And the reason I'm using a foundation to clean up is that way there's no harsh line between my eyebrow and the foundation when I blend everything in. Lastly, I'm just going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Gel. Honestly, you can use any eyebrow gel, drugstore or high-end, and any of them will work fine. I just like to use eyebrow gel just to make sure all the hairs are in place and defined. And now this last step is completely optional, but I've seen a few artists do it. All you have to do is just grab some translucent powder and pat it on to your eyebrow. This will not only keep product in place, but it'll also help lighten the eyebrows a little bit to look more natural.